This is the Rokform wireless dash car charger. And we'll show you everything that's in the box and how to install it. So inside the box, you're going to get the adjustable car charger that's already installed right here. It's an adhesive mount. And you're also going to get the cable, which is also right here. And you are going to get an optional multi-surface mount. So if you don't have a nice smooth surface like this and you need more area for the adhesive to stick, we supply this multi-surface mount. I can also trim it to whatever size that you need. And after you install it, then you stick the mount to this. So inside here is our instruction sheet on how to install it. So make sure you read the instructions because the proper surface preparation is very important in order for you to know that this thing is going to stick on your dash. So if we're going to install this multi-surface mount, because we've already installed this one on this nice smooth surface, we have two wipes. A step one wipe, open it up, and we're going to clean the surface with our step one wipe. I'm going to stick it right here. So we're going to make sure we get it really, really clean. If you have any Armor All or any type of oil on the surface, it'll be very difficult for the 3M adhesive to do its job properly. So we want to make sure spend extra time to clean it. That's step one wipe. Then we'll open up the step two wipe. And we'll clean it with the step two. Make sure we get it nice and clean. Can't be too clean. And then we're going to wait for that to dry. And once it's dry, then we can install our multi-surface mount. Now that our surface is completely dry, we can remove the backing. And I'm going to firmly attach this to this area. You want to press down for at least 30 seconds or a minute and really work the adhesive all the way into the surface. Once that's done, I've already cleaned this centerpiece, and we can remove this and do the same thing, firmly attach it. And then you want to wait at least 24 hours for the adhesive to cure before you use the phone. But I will show you really quickly how it's going to look. But after 24 hours, you'll get 90% of the strength, and after 48 hours, you'll get 100% of the strength out of this adhesive, and it won't come off until you want it to come off. So that's how you install it. And if you wanted to plug in your USB-C cable, that's how you charge. It's the wireless charging swivel mount.